Hello everyone. In this slide, I am going to talk about Apex collections, which are lists, sets, and maps. So in Salesforce projects, we rarely work with single record. Most of the time, we process multiple records at once. That's where the collections becomes important. So Apex provides three main collection types, which are list, set, and maps. These collections helps us write efficient and bulkified code. So we'll go one by one. So in the slide, first we have list, which is the ordered collection of elements. List stores multiple values in a specific order. List allows duplicate values as well and can be accessed using a index variable. So we have index in a list, which can be start from zero. So based on the index value, we can access the list elements. So, for example, we can have a list of cities where we add cities one by one, like Mumbai, Delhi, Pune, like that. And we can access the list by using the list and the index number, which is like first, second, or third place of element in the list. So, in this way, lists are commonly used when querying records from Salesforce. The next collection which we have in Apex is the set, which stores only unique values. So if you try to add any duplicate values in a set, then Apex automatically removes that duplicate values. So you can have a unique set of like particular values like cities. So you can have city names in a set with a unique names. So in this way, sets are useful when you need to add unique IDs or values in your collection data type. The next collection which we have is the map, which is basically key value pairs. So it stores data as a key value pairs. In maps, each key must be unique. So for example, we can have a map of employee record where we put the employee number along with the employee name. So here employee number is the key and employee name is the value. So in this way, maps provide fast data retrieval and are heavily used in Apex development. So some of the common use cases where we use the Apex collections are like we use it during bulk processing. So collections play a major role in bulkification of the code. So, for example, when we want to process multiple accounts or storing the record IDs or avoiding SOQL inside loops or reducing governor limit consumption. So, in these cases, collections are used. A well-designed Apex solution almost always uses list set and maps collection. Okay, so for this demo, I will be creating a simple Apex class called as collections demo. And I will demonstrate all the collections which we have learned in this class. So I will need a first uh, method. I will just go ahead and create one static method called run demo. Okay, so now that we have our run demo method, I will demonstrate each collection. So first we saw the list collection. So I will just go ahead and define a simple list of strings called as fruits, and then I will add the values in this list. So I will add some elements in this fruits list. So to add the fruits, we can use the methods for the list class. So in the same way, like list class, you can also check the maps and sets class from developer.salesforce.com documentation, you will find there are different methods like add, remove, and to check the like contains key for it's for the map, and various methods for set as well. So for now, I will go ahead and add a new element, add a new value in this list, and I will just copy paste this, and I will just print these values using a debug statement. The next one, which we saw in the list, is the set collections. So for set collection, I will create a simple set. Like we discuss, set stores a unique value. So we'll create a set variable like unique fruits, and I will try to add values in this set. So I will just copy paste this entire block and will paste here and will change. Okay. So as we discussed, like set stores the unique value. I will try to add a same value like apple twice in the set. So in this way, we have created list and set. The next one which we saw was the maps collection. So map stores values in a key value pair. So I will just define a simple map of string. Uh, and for this map, I will be using like a employee map. I will be creating an employee map where it will store the employee ID and name, where employee ID is the key and employee name is the value associated with that key. So like set as well, we have map data type, map collection. And for map, unlike set and list collection, which have add method, we need to use put method where we need to add the employee ID and employee value. So I will add employee ID as EMP1. I will add employee employee name. I will add couple of employees. And I will go ahead and just print this map value using a debug statement. So this is a simple Apex class which has all the three collections are defined in it. So we'll just go ahead and execute this code in anonymous windows. So once I open the anonymous window, I will give my class name and we'll have the run demo method here. We'll click on open log and click on execute. So in the anonymous window, you can see we have the collections value, the list value, set and map value. So you can see the list values which we have added, like three values which we have added. You can see the set values. So in set we added apple twice, but it prints one as set stores only unique values. So it will show only two values. And in map you can see the value with key value pair. So here employee ID is the key and employee name is the value associated with this key. So to access the value in map, we need to use we need to use the key of the map. So there are certain methods like contains key. which evaluates a key in the map and returns a specific value. So we can check the functions later on. So this was the basic idea about collections in Salesforce. I hope this helps.
Thanks for watching Salesforce Unlocked. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more Salesforce tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.